Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a give tool GUI and system so that when a person in your group is above a minimum rank, then they can just type in somebody's name and give them the tool when they're holding it. And yeah, let's get started. So first what you're going to want to do is insert a screen GUI into our starter GUI over here. And then I'm going to insert a text button. I'm going to place the text button over here on the left hand side, and I'm going to put on text scaled, and just you can name it, or you can put the text on it as for say give or give tool or give something. Next I'm going to put a text box in under the same screen GUI, and I'm going to also put text scaled onto it, and I'm going to put the placeholder text as, there it is, placeholder text, player name. Or you can just put name, or you can put any of the sorts. Okay, and now that we have the GUI part done, I'm going to go ahead and go into the scripting portion. So I'm going to insert a local script into this text button that we have here. And I'm going to start by getting our player equals game.players.local player. Now local group ID. And you're going to put your group ID here. I'm just going to put 0 for now for mine. But I'm going to show you guys how to get the group ID if you don't already know how. And the local minimum rank. I'm just going to put a 0 as a placeholder for that right now. And if you're wondering how to get the group ID or the minimum rank, then over here I'm going to show you. So for example, I have my group right here. To get your group ID, you're just going to go to the URL up here and copy this. I'm going to go ahead and put it in mine. Group ID. And then for the min rank, I'm going to configure my group and go into the roles. And you want to get the minimum rank that you want for the give, so you want the lowest rank that will be able to do it. So all the ranks above this and this rank will be able to see this GUI, but no others will. So for mine's going to be 254 because I want admin and up to be able to use my GUI. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put in 254. And then I'm going to start again. Player, get rank and group ID is less than or is greater than mid rank. Then group dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function local text is going to be equal to script.parent.text and what we need to next is we need to insert a remote event into replicated storage. This is going to allow us to send the name that we get in our text box and send it over to the server. I'm just going to name mine like give tool. Game.replicatedStorage.give tool fire server. I'm going to fire it with the text.text. So it's just going to fire with what's in the text box. And I'm going to reset that text when we send it. That text equals this. Alright, but I'm also going to put an else statement so that if the person isn't that rank on the group, then it just destroys it. The screen GUI itself. Alright. Well, now that we have the local side done for the clients, I'm going to go over to the server script service and I'm going to insert a script. So in the script, I'm going to start out by being able to get their half, or to use their half name to get their full name, because at certain times you really don't want to write this person's full name. So for example, if my name's Vast Mirage, I can just type in Vast and it'll be able to get me. So get player, and we're going to use the half name here, or underscore comma player pairs game dot players get players do string dot length name greater than 2, then if string.sub string.lower player.name 1 string.sub, actually string.length name is equal to string.lower name, then turn our player. Okay, so this is definitely a long if statement. Make sure you're getting all the commas and the parentheses right in that to make sure you're getting it all right. Okay, next we're going to connect back to our give tool remote event. And the first is the player. We want to get the other player name. Well, other player is going to be equal to get player, other player name. And then we want to see if we have an other player, basically to see if what you typed in and sent is actually a player. Then we want to try and find a tool, local tool equals player.character, which you would be holding. Find child of class. Find first child of class tool, then then if tool. Then we want to word them with it. So tool.parents equals player dot, or actually other player dot backpack. We want to give it to them. Okay, this should work. It's kind of hard for me to test it by myself, but I'll try. I'll insert a sword, and if it works, it should just go to my backpack. So I have it in my hand, typed in vast, which is part of my name. It should, yeah, it goes right to my backpack, and that's what it'll do when you give it to somebody. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys will like and subscribe, and peace.